Hello everyone, welcome to the Kanchan's Kitchen where the recipes are easy and tasty. So today I'm going to share a South Indian recipe with you all, that is instant idli with red tomato chutney. Usually making idli batter consumes a lot of time, but this idli batter will get ready in just 15 minutes, which quickens the process of preparing idli. To know how? Stay with us till the end. Do like and share today's recipe. New viewers, do subscribe. As in the Kanchan's Kitchen, we just don't share recipes, we also share happiness and love. Before we begin, I want you, my viewers, to know that I usually upload videos in Hindi, and I have already shared today's recipe in Hindi, the link of which has been provided in the description and the card above. I have few viewers who request for English videos, so I randomly keep uploading recipes in English. Please comment and let me know your requests. Now, let's get started with the ingredients of idli. To prepare the batter, in a bowl pour half cup of semolina rava, half cup of idli rava and 2 cups of half cup curd. That is equal to 1 cup of curd. Mix it all well. Basically, it is like semolina and the idli semolina quantity is same, and the curd should be the double quantity of semolina. Now add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it and then keep it aside for 15 minutes to ferment. Till then, let's prepare the tomato chutney. Here are the ingredients required. Let's heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil turns hot, add 1 chopped onion. Cook it for a minute till the onion gets translucent. At this point, add 12 to 13 garlic cloves. Now, on low flame, add 3 tablespoons of peanut and roast it for 15 seconds. On low flame itself, add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Mix it well. At this point, add red dry chilies. You can increase or decrease the quantity of the chilies as per your taste. You can even add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder instead of red dry chilies. After roasting for 15 seconds, add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut and half teaspoon asafoetida. Mix it and roast on high flame for few seconds. Now, on low flame, add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste and mix it. Cook it for 2 more minutes and then turn off the gas. After turning off the gas, if you wish, you can add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for extra color. Let's leave it open to cool for some time so that we can grind it after it cools down. Till then, let's check the batter. The batter has fermented. Its consistency should be like this. If your batter gets thicker than this, you can add 1 more tablespoon of curd and 1 tablespoon of water. Now add 1 tablespoon flat or as per your taste salt and mix it. Also add half teaspoon flat baking soda and some water over the soda. Mix it well. Make sure you add soda in the end. Now the batter is ready. So in the idli steamer, put some water and place it on the stove to heat on low flame. Now grease the mold with oil. Pour the batter in it, leaving some place as it spreads on cooking. I am not putting the batter in the last plate as on steaming, water can come in it and can spoil the idli. Now let's place the plates. While placing the plates, make sure that these holes are set above the idli so that the steam can spread evenly. Now the water has come to a boil, so slowly put it in the steamer. Cover it and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. If you wish to purchase a steamer like this, I have provided the link of it in the description. Till then, let's check if the spices of the tomato chutney has cooled down. The spices have cooled down, so let's put it in the grinder and grind it first without water. Now add some water and grind it. Grind it to a smooth paste like this. Let's remove it in a bowl. Let's add some more water and grind it so that the leftover chutney easily comes out. Add it to the chutney and mix it. Now let's prepare its tempering. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. When the oil turns hot, add 1 teaspoon urad dal. When the urad dal changes its color, add 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds, 2 red dry chilies and some curry leaves. Mix it, and when the urad dal turns brown, turn off the gas. Put it over the chutney and mix it. Here the chutney is ready. Let's have a look at the idli. Check it with the help of a knife. Nothing has stuck to it, so it's cooked. Let's turn off the gas and cover and leave it for 5 minutes. Now remove it out of the steamer and separate the plates so that it cools down a little. Make sure that the idlis get little cool to remove it, else it won't come out nicely. Now with the help of the spoon, free it from the sides and remove it in a serving bowl. Look, these idlis are so soft and spongy. Let's serve it in a plate. You can also serve it with gunpowder. I have already shared the recipe of gunpowder in Hindi. Link provided in the description. If you wish to know its recipe in English, comment and let me know, and I shall arrange to upload it in English as well. Hope you like today's recipe, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and new viewers, do subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end.